Hi, it's Mitchell from Integrity Real Estate in Nowra. I'm over here in the well-located 11 Peppermint Drive in Worrigee. If you're looking to invest, first home buyer, or you got a growing family, come check this out. As you go through this well-presented home over in Worrigee, you'll see that it's got 3 bedrooms, single bathrooms, double garage, with half of that being converted into an activity room. This home is well situated as it's only 5 minutes away from Nowra CBD or the local Worrigee Medical Centre. If you're an investor, someone looking to downsize, or a growing family, this is perfect for you. As you step outside of this well-presented home over in Worrigee, you have easy to maintain yard and gardens, other cover entertaining area, storage shed. You've also got side access. If this is something you would be interested in, I'm Mitchell from Integrity Real Estate. Give me a call.